In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split, delete, and trim clips in a video editor. Whether you're tidying up a vlog, removing bloopers, or tightening a tutorial, these three essentials, importing, splitting, deleting, and trimming, are the backbone of clean, professional editing. Let's walk through it step by step so you can move confidently from raw footage to a polished timeline. First, bring your footage into your project. Open your video editor and import the video file you want to work with. Once it's imported, add it to the timeline so it appears as a single clip. Seeing it on the timeline is key. This is where you'll make precise edits, and everything you do here is non-destructive, meaning you're not harming the original file. Next, select the clip on the timeline to make the editing tools appear. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want to make your first cut. This is usually where an unwanted moment begins or ends. Look for the split tool, commonly shown as a small pair of scissors. Tap split, and the editor will divide your clip at the playhead. You can repeat this at multiple points to create segments around the parts you want to keep or remove. Think of splitting like placing clean, intentional cuts so you can isolate moments with precision. Now that your clip is divided, tap the piece you don't need to highlight it, then press delete. The selected segment will be removed from the timeline. Depending on your editor, the remaining pieces might snap together, or you may see a small gap where the segment used to be. Either way, you've successfully removed the unwanted portion. Take a moment to play back around the cut and make sure the flow feels natural. If the cut is a bit abrupt, you can always split at a slightly different frame to smooth it out. Finally, let's trim. Trimming is perfect for shaving off a few frames or seconds from the beginning or end of a clip without making a full cut. Tap the clip to select it, and you'll see small white handles at both ends. Drag the left handle inward to shorten the start, and the right handle inward to shorten the end. This fine-tunes timing, removes dead air, and tightens pacing. If you change your mind, just drag the handles back out. You're simply adjusting in and out points. That's it. Import, split, delete, and trim. With these tools, you'll clean up footage quickly and keep your edits sharp and purposeful.